Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Balayage Body Weight 5x5 transparent lace closure wig, and I have it in 18 inches. This unit, to me, in my opinion, is just like a great spring color. You know, we stepping into spring. I feel like it's a great spring unit, in my opinion. So it says Balayage wig, human hair, pre-plucked, undetectable, transparent lace wig. It is available in 16 to 26 inches. And as I stated, I have it in 18 inches, and I have the 5x5 transparent, but they also have it in 13x4 transparent. You guys know me, you know I prefer a closure, girl. Closures, it just does it for me. Okay, they just do it for me. It's easy. It's the perfect mom wig. Okay. So it says the wig is 180% density. Is a body wave unit. They have on here the color is natural black, but this is obviously not a natural black unit. This is the Balayage. Y'all excuse my phone. This is the Balayage. It has transparent lace, and it is it has a standard medium cap size, which is 22.5 inches. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, as far as tweezing this unit or bleaching, I did none of the things. Like, old girl literally woke up like this. Okay, other than the curls and the layers that you saw me add, oh girl woke up like this. Okay, so shout out to them for that. As far as it being big head friendly, I want to say, in my opinion, is extremely big head friendly. Like, I had to adjust the straps, and I still have room. And it also came with a elastic band in the back. But in my opinion, this unit definitely leans more towards medium to big head friendly than small to medium. But I only have the head that's on my shoulder, and it's like average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, girl, do with that what you want to do with that. As far as shedding and tangling, I've noticed a little bit of tangling, not a whole lot, and I don't know if it's from them because it came pre-curled, but you know, like as I was brushing out the curls, I was hitting snags here and there. It was nothing to write home about, but I like to tell you, so you can't say I didn't tell you, because I told you, girl. But as far as shedding, I didn't notice any strata packaging. That's not to say old girl won't at some point. It's just that strata packaging, old girl is doing none of the things. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so you know I'm going to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. The con for me, and it's a Chrissy con, is over here. This is tearing my ear up. Do y'all see my ear? It hurts. Okay, if you guys have any suggestions for how you can really rock closure wigs without them tearing your ear up, let your girl know. But that is going to be my con because this particular one is definitely tearing my look. My little ear to pieces, honey. Okay, and I know I got big ears, but yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be my con. Okay, and like I said, it's a Chrissy con, but it's a con nonetheless. Now honey, as far as my pros, first of all, like I said, the color is perfect for spring. We are heading into spring and I just feel like this color just does it for me. Okay, it just does something for me for spring. I feel like it's the perfect, we are moving into spring hair. Okay, so I love that. I also love the closure in itself. You know, like I said, I'm a closure person, but this closure, I feel like this lace is lacing, honey, and I love the texture of the unit. I love the hairline. I feel like those are all my pros. It's like the perfect beginner friendly wig. Yes, I would obviously recommend this unit. I think this unit is bomb, honey. Okay, I think it's the perfect beginner friendly wig, so I obviously would recommend this unit for all the reasons that I listed as pros. So definitely check this unit out. I would recommend it. Alright y'all, so let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know if you feel like it is just a springtime wig. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Asteria Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not because you're not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.